Have you ever wondered what it's like to visit Paris for the first time? Ah, Paris, the city of love, the city of light, a city that has captured the hearts and minds of travelers for centuries. This is a place where history breathes life into every cobblestone, every cafe, and every blossom in its stunning parks. Paris, with its grand avenues and intimate side streets, has a unique allure that's hard to resist. It's a city that's home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks, from the soaring Eiffel Tower to the majestic Louvre Museum. But it's also a city of culture, a city of art, a city of food, and most importantly, a city of people. The Parisians, with their chic style and captivating charm, are the beating heart of this city. They embody the Parisian spirit, a blend of elegance, resilience, and joie de vivre. So, buckle up, fellow travelers. Prepare to embark on a journey through the enchanting streets of Paris. Imagine starting your day with the spectacular view of the sunrise by the Eiffel Tower. As the first rays of the sun start to peek over the horizon, the city of Paris begins to stir. It's a sight to behold as the iconic Eiffel Tower, standing tall and proud in the heart of the city, starts to glisten with the golden hues of the dawn. The Eiffel Tower, a symbol of love and architectural brilliance, has a rich history that spans over a century. Erected in the late 19th century, this iron lattice tower stands as a testament to the genius of Gustave Eiffel. It has since become a global cultural icon, attracting millions of visitors each year. As the sun rises, the Eiffel Tower's silhouette against the pastel-colored morning sky is a sight that leaves one in awe. The tower, with its intricate design and grandeur, bathed in the soft glow of the morning sun, is a sight that's nothing short of mesmerizing. At this early hour, the city is serene and the tower stands as a silent sentinel, watching over Paris as it wakes up to a new day. For the best view of this stunning spectacle, there are several vantage points to choose from. The Trocadero Gardens offer a panoramic view of the Eiffel Tower against the backdrop of the rising sun. Alternatively, the Seine river banks provide a unique perspective as the sun's reflection dances on the water's surface, adding to the overall visual symphony. If you're up for an adventure, why not ascend the tower itself? The view from the top is breathtaking, offering a 360-degree view of Paris. As the city slowly comes to life, the sight of the sun rising over the Parisian skyline is a moment you'll cherish forever. Apart from the magnificent views, the Eiffel Tower also offers various activities. You can enjoy a meal at one of its restaurants, visit its historical exhibits, or simply marvel at the engineering marvel that it is. An early morning visit to the Eiffel Tower sets the tone for an unforgettable Parisian experience. Next on our itinerary is the world-renowned Louvre Museum. As we step into the grandeur of this historic palace-turned-museum, we're stepping into a treasure trove of over 35,000 works of art and antiquities, spread across more than 60,000 square meters of exhibition space. Let's journey back in time to when the Louvre was a fortress, built in the late 12th century under the reign of Philip II. Fast forward a few centuries, and it became a gallery for artists to study antiquities and the works of old masters during the reign of Louis XIV. It wasn't until the French Revolution that the Louvre was transformed into a public museum, and what a transformation it was. Now it's impossible to talk about the Louvre without mentioning its most famous residents. First up, we have the enigmatic Mona Lisa, painted by the Italian maestro, Leonardo da Vinci. Despite her small size, she never fails to draw a crowd with her mysterious smile and those eyes that seem to follow you around the room. Next, we have the Venus de Milo, an ancient Greek statue and an icon of beauty. Discovered on the Aegean island of Milos, she has been captivating visitors since she was added to the museum's collection in the early 19th century. The museum is also home to a plethora of other must-see pieces, like the Winged Victory of Samothrace, the Code of Hammurabi, and the Coronation of Napoleon, among others. Each artwork and artifact has a story to tell, a piece of history captured in stone, paint, and precious metals. Remember, the Louvre is vast, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed, but take your time, stroll through its marbled halls, and let the art guide you. Whether you're an art connoisseur or a casual observer, the Louvre has something for everyone. So grab a map and set off on your own personal art adventure. Immerse yourself in the beauty and history that is the Louvre. After all, a morning spent in the Louvre is a morning spent in the company of the world's greatest artistic masterpieces. As the sun reaches its peak, we find ourselves at the magnificent Notre-Dame Cathedral. This iconic edifice, teeming with history and architectural grandeur, commands a presence in the heart of Paris like no other. Its intricate designs, tall Gothic spires, and the ethereal aura that surrounds it make Notre-Dame a testament to the city's rich cultural tapestry. Delving into the annals of history, Notre-Dame's construction began in the 12th century and took nearly 200 years to complete. It has borne witness to the passage of time, from the coronation of Napoleon Bonaparte to the liberation of Paris during World War II. Each stone, each stained glass window, echoes stories of the past, whispering secrets of the city's vibrant history. The architectural splendor of Notre-Dame is awe-inspiring, to say the least. Gothic architecture finds its finest expression in the cathedral's flying buttresses, ribbed vaults, and the grandiose rose windows. The spire, reaching skywards, seems to touch the heavens, while the gargoyles, perched high above, keep a watchful eye over the city. This harmonious blend of form and function is a testament to the ingenuity of its builders, making Notre-Dame a timeless masterpiece. Beyond its architectural brilliance, Notre-Dame holds a special place in the cultural fabric of France. It's a beacon of French identity, a symbol of national pride. It has inspired countless works of art and literature, including Victor Hugo's famed novel, The Hunchback of Notre Dame. The cathedral's bells, with their resounding peals, are a sound deeply ingrained in the Parisian soundscape, resonating with the rhythm of the city's heartbeat. The Notre Dame's resilience is legendary, having withstood wars, revolutions, and most recently, a devastating fire in 2019. Each time, it has risen from the ashes, stronger and more resolute. This resilience mirrors the indomitable spirit of Paris and its people, a testament to their enduring love for this iconic symbol of their city. The Notre Dame is not just a cathedral, it's a symbol of Paris's indomitable spirit. As daylight wanes, we make our way to the vibrant Champs-Élysées and the majestic Arc de Triomphe. This is where Paris truly comes alive, where the pulse of the city beats the strongest. The Champs-Élysées, often dubbed as the world's most beautiful avenue, is a 2-kilometer-long stretch of grandeur and vivacity. It's a melting pot of culture, history, and luxury, where the past meets the present in the most spectacular fashion. Flanked by rows of trees and high-end boutiques, the Champs-Élysées is an irresistible blend of nature and opulence. There's an undeniable energy here, a buzzing vibrancy that's as infectious as it is enchanting. It's a place where you can shop at the flagship stores of global luxury brands one minute, and the next, find yourself savoring a cup of coffee at a quaint Parisian cafe. But the Champs-Élysées is more than just a shopper's paradise. It's also a portal into the rich tapestry of French history. The avenue is home to the Grand Palais, an architectural gem that hosts numerous art exhibitions and cultural events throughout the year. It's a testament to the city's enduring love for the arts and its deep-rooted cultural heritage. And then there's the Arc de Triomphe, standing tall at the western end of the Champs-Élysées. It's a monument that's steeped in history, a symbol of the French nation's resilience and strength. Commissioned by Napoleon after his victory at Austerlitz, it's a powerful reminder of France's military triumphs and sacrifices. The names of French victories and generals are inscribed on its inner and outer surfaces, making it a living history lesson. Climb to the top of the Arc de Triomphe and you'll be rewarded with a panoramic view of the city. It's a sight to behold, a spectacle that perfectly encapsulates the essence of Paris. The city spread out before you, with the Champs-Élysées cutting through its heart, is a sight that will etch itself into your memory. A snapshot of a city that's as fascinating as it is beautiful. Experiencing the electric energy of Champs-Élysées and the grandeur of the Arc de Triomphe is truly a unique Parisian experience. As evening descends, we head towards the bohemian heart of Paris, Montmartre. This historic district, perched atop a hilly terrain, is more than just a neighborhood. It's a canvas of artistic expression, a hub of creativity where the spirit of the Belle Époque lives on. Imagine cobblestone streets winding around old-fashioned bistros and boutiques, where the likes of Picasso, Van Gogh, and Toulouse-Lautrec once found their muse. Montmartre has been a sanctuary for artists, bohemians, and free spirits since the late 19th century, and its artistic heritage is palpable even today. You can still find local artists setting up their easels in the bustling square of Place du Tertre, capturing the essence of Paris in their works. As the sun dips below the horizon, Montmartre transforms into a vibrant nocturnal scene. The district is alive with the sounds of laughter and clinking glasses from its many cafes and cabarets. It's a place where Parisians and tourists alike come to unwind, to soak in the lively atmosphere, and to indulge in the district's delectable culinary delights. But the crown jewel of Montmartre is undoubtedly the Sacré-Cœur, or the Sacred Heart Basilica. This magnificent white-domed basilica stands proudly at the highest point in the city, watching over Paris like a vigilant guardian. The Sacré-Cœur is a marvel of Romano-Byzantine architecture, its intricate mosaics and grand bell tower a testament to the artistic prowess of its creators. Climb the steps of the Sacré-Cœur, and you'll be rewarded with a panoramic view of Paris that is nothing short of breathtaking. It's a sight that encapsulates the beauty, the charm, and the timeless allure of the City of Light. As the cityscape twinkles beneath the evening sky, it's easy to understand why Montmartre has captured the hearts and imaginations of so many. Montmartre, with its artistic soul and enchanting views, offers the perfect end to a day in Paris. And there you have it, a day spent exploring the enchanting city of Paris. From the moment the sun peeks over the horizon, illuminating the iconic silhouette of the Eiffel Tower, Paris begins to work its magic. It's a city that invites you to stroll along the Seine at dawn, to marvel at the masterpieces housed within the Louvre, and to stand in awe beneath the towering spires of the Notre-Dame Cathedral. As the day progresses, the city blooms into life. The vibrant Champs-Élysées buzzes with the chatter of locals and visitors alike, all drawn to the grandeur of the Arc de Triomphe. As the afternoon light wanes, the city's charm doesn't fade, it merely transitions. Montmartre, with its bohemian spirit, comes alive under the soft glow of the evening lights. The Sacré-Cœur, perched atop the hill, watches over the city, a beacon in the twilight. But Paris, oh Paris, is not merely a collection of must-visit places. It's a city that offers unique experiences, from savoring a warm croissant in a cozy cafe, to mingling with artists in the bustling squares of Montmartre, to discovering hidden treasures in its many boutiques and bookshops. And let's not forget the Parisians themselves, a people with a distinct sense of style and sophistication, who value politeness and good manners. So when in Paris, do as the Parisians do. Start your day with a hearty bonjour, end it with a warm bonsoir, and in between remember to say merci for the experiences that make your visit truly memorable. So there you have it, a summary of what awaits you in Paris. A city that is a lot more than its iconic landmarks. A city that is a blend of history, culture, fashion, gastronomy, and joie de vivre. A city that, once visited, leaves an indelible mark on your heart. Remember, Paris is not just a city, it's a world in itself, waiting to be explored and adored. Au revoir until next time.